The non-potable water system pressurizes and pumps water from the storage tanks to the water closets in the building. This type of gray water recycling system eliminates the need to use filtered potable water to flush toilets. The storage tanks have built-in sump pumps with floating intake filters. These pumps move the water into the building through a sleeve in the foundation wall. A secondary pump and controller increase flow through an expansion tank that maintains line pressure. The expansion tank uses a rubber diaphragm to provide adequate pressure, and it's sized according to the anticipated needs for the water closets in the building. A standard PEX manifold controls and distributes the flow to individual service areas in the building. The single flush valve in the basement toilet can be served directly using a continuous flexible tube. This tubing is much smaller in diameter than a standard water supply pipe, and it greatly reduces friction in the water supply line. A separate feed connects the first floor mezzanine toilet directly from the manifold. This is a continuous line with the shutoff valve typically near the service connection. The second floor toilet uses PEX fittings to distribute the non-potable water from the manifold to each flush valve. Note that the urinal in the men's room needs no water connection. On the third floor, 2 water closets are serviced by a common tube from the basement manifold. This would be the area with the highest pressure demand. It could be supplemented with an additional expansion tank or a storage tank in the ceiling above. The completed non-potable system represents a difficult installation because of the possibility of cross-contamination with potable supplies. A system like this requires expert engineering and installation to operate safely. This includes supply lines, connections, and pumps that are color-coded and clearly marked.